What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin today because, like everything else, Dogecoin had a big drop. So everything has been dropping inside the market lately. Honestly, I don't want to do a technical today because honestly, we can't tell where this is about to go. This is going so crazy right now. Nobody knows exactly what's about to happen. We can't really determine any actual trend lines that are going on. We can just speculate on what's going to happen, but like we really can't we really can't predict any of this right now, because like we could break out here easily right now. We could just continue to go down here, continue to drop. Anything can happen. But remember, we already bottomed out here, so we're not expected to go below 25 cents, but we could continue to go down to 25 cents. So we're not expected to go below this right here. Like we already hit this area. This was like our low. But remember, it's only dropping right now. Dogecoin is only going down right now because the FUD. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Because when you go over to the Dogecoin whales, you see the Dogecoin whales really aren't selling out. The top whale hasn't sold. Look, these are the last out. The top whale hasn't sold since the 12th of April. The second whale hasn't sold since 2014. Third whale hasn't sold since the 9th of last month. This fourth whale hasn't sold since 3 days ago. Even the fourth whale, though, when you look 3 days ago, it was only $3. It was 8 Doge. And this is the one that we believe to be Elon Musk. So only 8 Doge went out of this wallet that we believe to be Elon Musk. And then we look down here, the Doge party, they never sold, not once. And then you see over here, this one hasn't sold since April. This is crazy. And then you see this one's always selling. So then you have whales that are causing the problem. The whales like this are the ones that are causing the problem, but the actual top whales, they are not causing the problem. So that's actually crazy when you think about it. The seventh whale is causing problems for Dogecoin, but from the 6th up, they're not causing any problems, and they have the most weight in Dogecoin. Like this whale right here still has 1.24% of all Dogecoins, which comes out to be $467 million, 1.6 million or 1.6 billion Dogecoin. And yeah, this whale does hold weight in Dogecoin. That's why when this whale sells like that, it does so much. But then you look at the 8th whale. The 8th whale has never sold Dogecoin. The 8th whale has only bought Dogecoin. So even though all these whales are selling, there's way more whales holding than selling. You look over here at the 15th, a random Dogecoin wallet. This Dogecoin wallet has never sold anything. And like I just click on these random wallets, and I can just click on any random wallet and be like, I bet this wallet right here has not sold anything. This wallet has not sold anything, created on the 4th of the 4th month. So this is crazy right here. This wallet was created on March. Actually no, April. Yeah, this wallet was created here on April at 6 cents. So they got in on April 1st at 6 cents to $25 million, 413 million Dogecoin. That was huge right there. And this whale has made their $25 million into $122 million. That's a lot of money right there. So who cares about the FUD? There's so much FUD going around. But when I look at these billionaires and these millionaires in Dogecoin, and they haven't sold not one Dogecoin, and people are over here scared of losing a little bit of Dogecoin, I understand, because some people overextend themselves, so they're afraid to lose that money. That's why I always say never put in more than what you're willing to lose, because since I have a decent amount in Dogecoin, I know that amount I'm ready to lose it right now. So I'm willing to hold it for 5 years at the hopes that it'll be at least like 800,000. And actually, with the prediction that I did, in 5 years, I predict Dogecoin will be at $10. So honestly, let's say I have around 7,000 Dogecoins, right? So at 7,000 Dogecoins times our target price, $10, I'll have $70,000 at 10,000, or at $10. 5 years, I mean, that's pretty cool. Or not 5, but 4 years, because 2025 is in 4 more years. So in 4 years, I will have $70,000 in Dogecoin. And that's why I'm continuing to average down, because look, if we continue to dollar cost average, we can continue to acquire more Dogecoin at a smaller price. Now, let's say I take another $1,000, right? And then I put it into Dogecoin, and then that will probably bring me up to 3.2k in Dogecoin, right? 3.2k Dogecoin right there. So I have another 3,000 Dogecoin, which will bring me to $10,000. That means that my not 10,000, but I mean 10,000 Dogecoin. But yeah, that would bring me all the way up to $100,000 in 4 years inside 2025. So that's why this 2025 Dogecoin prediction is so big, because I know Dogecoin will reach $10 by 2025. So whatever you have, take and multiply that by $10. So if you have like 10,000 Dogecoin, multiply that by $10. If you have 100,000 Dogecoin, multiply it by $10. That's what you will have in 2025. That is why I'm so big with Dogecoin, because I don't care about the short term, because I know the long term is so much bigger than the short term. Like, so many people make so much money because they hold it in long term. Like this Doge wallet right here, like I know I keep going back to this number one Doge wallet, but like they made their money because they invested way back. They invested in 2019, which wasn't as early as the other one, but there were so many different other Dogecoin wallets that were like created and made. Like we can go on and on with this. Like this let's go over to a Dogecoin wallet that started around 2014, and just this one right here has started around 2014, has not sold at all. Look, they started around with they put 100,000. So look, they put 6,000 in here, 10,000 in here, 20,000 in there, 20,000 in there. And now what do they have? They have $44 million. They initially invested about a good $200,000, and now they are about $150,000. That's about 179,000 is saying here. Yeah, about 179,000, and they turned it to $44 million. This is why I'm so big with this, because look, 150 million Dogecoins. That's so big right there. 150 million Dogecoins. When Dogecoin hits $1, their 150 million Dogecoin will be worth 150 million. At $10, this is about to be crazy. So let's look at what this Dogecoin will be at $10. Like this is so crazy right here. So at $10, they'll have $1.5 billion. Literally a billionaire made off of $179,000. They literally make $1 billion off of $179,000 if they hold it till 2025. This is why I'm so big with Dogecoin. Okay, let's get off the whales now. Look at this. Donald Trump calls Bitcoin a scam against the dollar. Remember, Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. We all have to remember that. Every single crypto follows Bitcoin. So since every single crypto follows Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin right now, down 12% in the last 24 hours. But then let's go over to CoinGecko, because they actually show us something different here. In the last hour, we're still down 0.1%. So yeah, everything follows Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin is down and going down, everything else will continue to go down. But remember, in the long term, we're going to rise. So none of this FUD, this fear, uncertainty, and doubt, none of this matters. So he says that Bitcoin is a threat to the US dollar. That is not true at all. Bitcoin will never take over the US dollar. The US dollar will still have its place. And Bitcoin is so important because inside of countries like Venezuela, they need a new currency. They cannot continue to go on with their currency. With their current currency, it's worthless, literally. So they need something like Bitcoin. They need something like Dogecoin, honestly. Dogecoin is what Venezuela needs. Imagine if Venezuela used Dogecoin as a universal currency. The Venezuela is so heavily inflated. Like, just type in Venezuela on Google, and the first thing that will come up is inflation. Like, you won't even hear anything about their country before you hear about inflation. Like, I don't know much about Venezuela, but all I know is inflation. So that is huge right there. And Dogecoin can be their answer. Dogecoin can be the problem solver. If we just regulate this worldwide and we just let this go, we just let it ride, let crypto do what it can do. Crypto just has so many good use cases, right? So the Sunday effect sends crypto crashing on weekends, which means it might never go mainstream, blah, blah, blah. So there's more FUD. Look at this, more FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. So much FUD going around. And we have some good stuff going on, though. Iconic Doge meme to be auctioned as an NFT. So now they have the Doge meme being auctioned as NFTs. And I mean, there's so many NFTs going on. Honestly, I'm not going to invest in NFTs personally, because I don't know much about it. So I'm not going to invest something I don't know about. But look at this. We have a little bit of a climb back here inside of Dogecoin, back at 31 cents, because we went all the way down to 29 cents. But now we're back at 31. So we're definitely going to start climbing here. Remember, we just now made another correction. After our consolidation, we could not break out of the consolidation. So that is another correction. I did say I don't want to do many technicals here. But look, we had the consolidation, tried to break out of the consolidation, couldn't break out of it, and ended up correcting. So now, after our correction, we're back to our long-term trend line. So now we're back to our long-term trend line. Now what's going to happen? We're going to try to continue to break out. But remember, if there's more FUD, more fear, uncertainty, doubt, then it'll continue to drop. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying you do not want to You do not want to be one of those people that keeps selling because it keeps dropping, because then you will keep losing money. But if you keep buying, when it goes up, you will finally make money. And that's why I love this so much. I love Dogecoin so much. In all cryptos, I'm gonna keep buying more and more and more. Like, I'm trying to build up money to buy more and more and more and more Dogecoins. So that is what I'm doing. Let me know what you're doing in the comment, if you're going to continue to buy more, or if you're just going to hold, or if you're selling. Let me know what you do, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so I'm not telling anyone to do anything. So yeah, let's keep going with this. Wow, you can now buy Dogecoin on Revolt. So yeah, the Revolt exchange here, you can now buy Dogecoin on Revolt. Dogecoin marks Revolt's 30th coin offered through its app after 8 new tokens were added in last week's inaugural Token Tuesday. So that's pretty good here. I said before that 2021 would be a year of crypto, and Revolt is here to deliver on the promise. See, there's not only FUD going around. There's definitely not only FUD going around. There's really good stuff actually going on in the crypto community. It's just you have to look through it and search through all the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt. I gotta keep saying that because there's so much FUD going around. One of the most popular user requests over the past couple months has been Dogecoin. So that's huge right there. Dogecoin is one of the most prominent meme coins and currently has the 6th highest market cap of all cryptocurrencies, currently standing at 42 billion. So yeah, they're just talking about Dogecoin there. And let's look at more stuff that we have for Dogecoin. So there is a Dogecoin prediction going on right now. So I don't know what they're saying around with Dogecoin, but they are saying they're predicting it to go around 38 cents by the end of the month. I mean, Dogecoin could rise higher, but right now 38 cents would look good for the end of the month just because of what's happening right now. So 38 cents, that's a good price target for the end of the month. But honestly, Dogecoin is going to get to $1. All we need is a huge campaign. We need a trending campaign on Twitter or a trending campaign on Google. So something has to trend with Dogecoin. Elon Musk needs to tweet something. We need to have a new day, like how we had Doge Day. We need to create a new day. So maybe another Doge Day type thing, another Saturday Night Live thing, another famous person talking about Dogecoin. That would also help. We have Snoop Dogg with Dogecoin. And I believe we also have Ice Cube with Dogecoin. Yeah, we have Ice Cube with Dogecoin. So yeah, Snoop Dogg and a bunch of other rappers with Dogecoin. We have a lot of other stuff with Dogecoin. And a lot of people ask a lot of questions here inside of Google Trends. So I'm going to answer a few. So Dogecoin is pronounced Doge, not Dodge. So it's Dogecoin, D-O-G-E, Do. Like Dojo Coin, Dogecoin. So why is Dogecoin dropping? Dogecoin is dropping because of the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, and the doubt. Whales are selling. Retailers, buyers, they're selling because they're all the FUD. They're so scared because all the fear, uncertainty, the doubt. Donald Trump just came out and said that Bitcoin was a scam. So more people are selling out of all cryptos just because of Bitcoin. Remember, Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has negative news. Dogecoin takes the fall for that. It happens with every single crypto. Like, you go over to CoinMarketCap, every single crypto is going downhill. So should you invest in Dogecoin? Most definitely. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So most definitely if you want to, but yeah, they're not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. Will Dogecoin reach $1? Most definitely by 2025. My Dogecoin prediction is $1. 2025, that is my Dogecoin prediction. And I already did a mathematical equation for that, like to why we are going to reach that by 2025. I guess we could probably do that. The whole thing was that we're adding 5 billion Dogecoins every year, right? So if we're adding 5 billion Dogecoins every year, let's go over here and do that. 5 billion Dogecoins every year, and then you take and you multiply that multiply the 5 billion Doge every year. 4 years would be 2025 because it's 2021. So in 4 years we would have an extra 20 billion Doge, right? So now what you want to do is you want to go over here to your current circulating supply of Dogecoins. You want to copy the current circulating supply of Dogecoin. Why is it not copying? Copy the whole thing. Okay, there it is. Copy the current circulating supply of Dogecoin. Go over here and click this add button, and then you want to add. Let's go over here and paste. Add and then paste that. Then we have 149 billion circulating supply of Dogecoin. So then what you would take and you would do is you want to multiply this by multiply this 149 billion Dogecoin by the target price would be $10. which would be $1.4 trillion market cap. Now, Bitcoin already got to a $1.1 trillion market cap. And by the way, the US dollar is going with inflation. A lot of other countries are starting to inflate their currency as well. So more currency is flowing inside the worldwide market for currencies. So this is all going to flow into cryptos. This is all going to flow into real estate. This is going to raise the prices of everything. Everything is raising right now. I know you see everything raising. Like, we're seeing gas prices raising. We're seeing houses raising. We're seeing food raising. Everything is raising and raising up high right now. So what we have right now is $1.4 trillion in market cap at 2025. That would bring us to $10. So that is my prediction for Dogecoin, a $1.4 trillion market cap in 2025. So that's definitely a realistic prediction there. That's the mathematical equation for it. Had to bring out the math on them. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So this is just what Dogecoin is doing right now, and that's why it's dropping. Had to answer everyone's questions there. Let's keep going with the video. So as crypto market plunges, you know, Dogecoin bulls preach, keep calm and hodl. That's definitely what you want to do. Keep calm and hodl all your Dogecoins. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but really hold, and hold. Like, this is what's going to make the millionaires and the billionaires of the next generation, especially if you're someone that's holding other cryptos that are extremely low right now. And those are going to be really big. BitTorrent is another crypto that's doing really good. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I haven't made a video on BitTorrent yet, so I'm going to make one on there so that everyone knows exactly how that is going to be going. And let's keep reading here. Good news for Dogecoin. Again, look over here. San Jose Sharks becomes first National Hockey League team to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So yeah, the NHL is now accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. That's huge right there. So a lot of big stuff still going here. And we're supposed to have Robinhood over here. Remember, Robinhood is supposed to have their whole wallet, the whole wallet structure being created right now. So look over here. At this time, we don't have the functionality to allow customers to transfer their cryptocurrency assets into and out of our Robinhood crypto account, but we're currently working on providing those abilities for supported cryptocurrencies. So they're working on it right now. That's really big. So a lot of really big news here going with Dogecoin. So yeah, remember, I keep saying this, I have to, because I don't want anyone to completely go by my advice. I want people to do their own due diligence. As you can see, Dogecoin is jumping now. So yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. That's not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And remember, for a limited time only, you will get 3 free stocks with Robinhood and 4 free stocks with Webull when you sign up. And I will be back with another video. Peace.